What's up, everybody? How you doing? My third video. It's September 21st. I hope you guys had a great week in school. Our first workshop, the 4 to 5:30 Saturday afternoon stuff. It was a lot of fun. We got another one coming up this Saturday. I got some ideas for this Saturday. It's a little ambitious, but I'm gonna focus on bookmarks and stamps. I don't want to give away too many surprises, but this is because it's like the third week of school. By now, you surely have like a book that you're supposed to read for school. So I thought maybe this is the perfect time for a bookmark. This weekend we got 3 birthday parties and our Saturday afternoon workshop. And one of the birthday parties on Sunday is this little boy named Luka. We had this kid's birthday last year, and I asked his mom, let me know what he likes, like what's his favorite color and things like that. Mommy says he likes blue, and he likes, are you ready for this? Kind-faced robots. So I'm gonna try to draw a kind-faced robot today. Side note, my dog is here. Look at her, Bowie. Okay, Bowie, that's it. Say hello to the camera. Okay, go back. Okay, you gotta get down. Okay, Bowie, you gotta get down. Come on, I gotta do this. I got work to do. All right, so I'm gonna show you a new painting. I'm gonna cut to that now. I'm gonna go show you the new painting. So there's a new painting. Oh, it's hard to see because it's big. It's about 7.5 feet by 4 feet. This painting started on the floor, actually, and now I just put it on the wall to finish it. I'm gonna work on this painting with the kids for about a month. All right, so that was my new painting. I'm very happy with the way it's developing. And so a couple of things we're gonna do today. One, I wanted to show you this. Oh, it's my new sticker. Look, I got it on my my new water bottle. It's a vinyl sticker I put on a water bottle. If you love printmaking, you could buy one of these stickers. Anyway, that's that. Oh, I want to do a little work here. So what I'm gonna do is that kid Luka with the kind face of robots. Oh my gosh. I got a list of all the kids that are coming to his party, and I'm gonna make the name cards. I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna do it like on a time lapse. I got the camera up above, and I'm gonna cut the video, and I'm gonna do like a really quick thing to show you how I make the name cards for the kids. Every birthday party, every workshop for that matter, every class trip even, we make bubble letter name cards for all the kids. Woo, woo, that hurts. Oh, it's hard to do that, but here we go. I did it. I finished Luka's name cards. I'm very excited about that. I'm gonna give these kids these name cards at the beginning of the party on Sunday, and I'm gonna ask them to color them in, and I hope they do that, and so that's done. And we're gonna do the drawing challenge. We wanted to do this for 3 weeks, but finally Mike is coming. Both of us gonna sit here and pull cards. I don't know how to play this game, but we're gonna play this game called the drawing challenge, and I hope you can play along because it's a lot of fun. He's just gonna appear here, and I'm gonna move to the side. All right, so here's this idea we got. Every Wednesday, Mike and Kevin, they do a cartooning comic workshop. What is it? 4:30 to 6. Yeah, 4:30 to 6. Right. And then they do this thing called the drawing challenge. Kids love this. It's very stressful for me, but he's really good at it, and I'm terrible at it. Kevin's really good at it. Kevin's good at it. Mike's drawing challenge. He created this whole idea. So start them up. Let's do this. We're gonna do a drawing challenge. You guys are gonna do this. If you want, I'm gonna do it. Who is that? Doing what? Wearing what? And then there's a bonus and more. Okay, so here we go. Ready? Who is that? A dragon. Oh. Ho. Doing what? Watering flowers. Oh, I love flowers. Of course. And wearing a crown. Okay. All right. And if you want a bonus and more, what do we got here? The forecast calls for draw weather in the background. I'm gonna do this. Look, I'm gonna put this up like this. The final drawing challenge for the week. We're gonna do this all week. Oh wait, okay. I got a week to work on this. Next Thursday, I'm gonna show. I might tease my development of this thing, and I'm gonna show Kevin's. I'm gonna show Mike's. We're gonna all be jealous of Mike because he's really good at this. But
Kevin's gonna be the dark horse coming in.
We'll see what happens. But anyways, a dragon watering flowers, wearing a crown, and draw weather in the background. That's an option. They don't have to do that. You don't have to draw weather in the background. I'm gonna draw weather in the background. I don't know what kind of weather I'm gonna draw, but I hope you do this drawing challenge and try the drawing challenge. It's fun to do. Yeah. You like it? All right, that's it. I'll see you guys later. And Michael, see you later.